looking to take advantage, perhaps Ryder in trouble. Bourne still connecting.
Looking to take advantage, perhaps Ryder in trouble.